Hello everyone, it's Carlos Gonzalez again, and today I'm going to show you what you can find inside of the box of one of our MCCBs. Well, the first thing that we're going to find when we open the circuit breakers is manuals. Will be inside of the package will be two manuals. One is the installation manual, on which is specified the installation procedure, testing procedure, and other type of frame-related stuff to know, and the smart unit controller, on which is going to be specified which are the protection settings, parameters, and other type of details, advanced stuff. Additionally, we will find phase barrier plus installation accessories or installation screws in order to install the molded case circuit breaker into the mounting panel, and as well the phase barriers in order to ensure that the isolation of the phases is secured. Now let's take out the circuit breaker. The molded case circuit breaker is going to be packed in a plastic bag with some silica gel in order to ensure that the humidity is not going to be over the limits. The frame size EX9M2 and as well for thermomagnetic versions EX9M1, they are going to be pre-installed always with this type of box terminals. This is made on this way in order to make the installation easier. Since normally for this type of small molded case circuit breakers, the main installation procedure says that it's going to be installed cables, not bus bars. That's the main purpose. Of course, additional external accessories can be purchased, and these box terminals can be removed, and screws can be installed in order to make easier to install bus bar types. For example, as you can see in this type of molded case circuit breakers, you can find the screws type terminals for these bus bar systems. For M3, 4, 5, and as well for M6 in the SU20L versions. You can see inside of the box, as we said before, installation manual on which is specified which is the dimensions, holes, type of screws that can be used in the molded case circuit breakers, and as well the testing procedure and installation of some of the internal accessories, the basic ones. Yes? In the case of the smart unit controller, you will be able to find here the tripping characteristics, all the settings that can be configured on it, and some basic steps to make the first installation or the first configuration. This manual is called Fast Installation Manual, and additional information can be found in our website by following the QR code. Good, so that was all that you can find inside of one of our MCCB boxes. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, please visit our website, and see you next time.